Hey YouTube, Eric here. So this is my Landshark hydraulically controlled rake, which is manufactured by Everything Attachments. And through normal use I haven't done anything damaged it, but I did back the rake into a tree and I bent this tang forward. And what I've quickly found out, just trying to use it to grade my driveway, is that if I don't replace this tang, it keeps flicking rocks up and I'm going to break the rear window of my tractor. That's not cool. So I thought I'd detail you how you replace the tangs. They're very simple. Everything Attachments would probably like to find an American vendor, but these are made in Italy and this is the best tangs that they can get their hands on. And I'll show you how this goes. So these guys are just held on with one bolt. It's a 9/16. It's a carriage bolt, so really all you need is this ratchet. Pull the bolt out. Pull the bent tang out. Put the new tang in. Put the carriage bolt in. Tighten the rascal on up. Isn't that slick? Good design. That's good design. And a shout out to Travis. Hey Travis, thanks for the replacement tines. I appreciate it. That's all I got to share with you today, YouTube. Bye-bye. Cute dog. Cute dog.